Okay, here they come. Christmas morning. Good morning. Hey, who do you have?
Merry Christmas, Santa Claus came.
Look behind you, Cohen. Cohen. Yeah, Pororo. Yeah, look behind you, Cohen. What's behind you?
Cohen.
Oh, that's Emerson's.
That's Emerson's things. You could look at it. Yeah, but that's Emerson's.
What's that? What is it? Oh, the house.
He's back. Ooh.
Is there mail in the house? Do you have mail?
You have mail?
No.
Are you sure?
No.
You should check. Who's that to? That's to Emerson from Baba and Guido. Do you want to open it? No?
Did Santa bring you some gifts?
We got a few gifts from Santa today. You want to see it? Oh, can you open it?
Can you crawl through the house? Can you turn the light on? Oh. Can you open the door?
Let's see what's in the house.
Oh yeah, ball. Cohen. Achoo! Achoo! What do you say when somebody sneezes? Okay, guess he's not as interested in the house as we expected.
He's seen the house before, he's never seen this. I don't know if you're ready for this one. This is the Doodle Pro.
Can you trace your hand on there?
Hey. You go away.
Oh, he wants to trace his hand?
Go away.
Oh, so much else to see. Is that a toolbox?
You want to see that now?
Can you say please, Cohen? Mommy can't see. How do you say please? Would you like some milk? No. Can you say bye-bye? Cohen, can you say bye-bye? No, say bye-bye. Bye-bye.